Welcome everyone, here's how you turn on developer mode or developer options in your Google Pixel. So the first step is you're going to open up the settings app. From here you're going to scroll all the way down until you see about phone. From here you want to find where the build number is located. For me it's at the very bottom, and you're just going to spam tap this one until you are asked to enter in your password or PIN. So I'm going to enter in my PIN now, and once I enter it in you will see you are now a developer. So in order to access the developer options, you're going to go back. You're then going to find System. You'll find here Developer Options. Tap into this one and you can see Use Developer Options. It is turned on and you can change all the settings right here. When you want to turn off Developer Options, just tap on this toggle here. That will turn off Developer Options, and in order to go back into Developer mode, you will have to repeat the steps earlier on in the video. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.